Imagine walking down the street, pointing your phone's camera at a cafe, and instantly seeing its name, rating, hours, and more pop up on your screen like a scene straight out of a sci-fi film. Sounds unreal? Well, Google's making it real. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to the channel. Thanks to a juicy code leak spotted by Android Authority, Google is quietly working on a new augmented reality overlay for its Gemini Live experience. This upgrade will let your phone show Google Maps data directly through your camera, turning your device into a live interactive tour guide. If this sounds familiar, you're not wrong. It builds on the Google Lens AR tools already in the Maps app, but this time it's all happening inside Gemini Live, the AI-powered experience where you can chat naturally and ask questions about whatever your camera sees. So now, instead of just saying "what's that building?", you might also see its map rating, reviews, and more in real time. Android Authority tests show that the feature is still in its baby steps, but it works in audio mode too. But you'll need to be fairly specific about what you're asking. Still, it is a sneak peek of what's coming, and it could be perfect for smart glasses. With Samsung rumored to launch AR specs soon, imagine getting real-time directions and place info floating in your field of view. It all builds on Google's recent demo of visual guidance on Gemini Live, which highlighted objects like buttons and tools through your camera. Although there's no launch date yet, but with the code already added into the app, this futuristic upgrade might just be around the corner. Are you waiting for this feature too? Let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.